know what we need.
Grandma tried Coca-Mento challenge. Gone wrong. For sure gone wrong.
Here what we
I
need.
don't think it's real. Are you kidding me right now? She instantly regretted that. The deepest swimming pool in the world. It was a big swimming pool. Why don't I swim? Take a look. Oh my. It's a whole underwater city. There's a car in there. What? Oh my goodness. I wonder how deep that goes. I don't think I actually want to find out though. Me kicking my cat out the room. There's nothing more annoying. That's so loud. Throw rocks through windows. That's just so annoying at night time. Ooh, the ending. Oh, so when it flips, you get to eat as much food as you can. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. Oh my gosh, this is a great game. It's all down to your bottle flipping skills. Whoever's got the best flip gets the most food. Up to 90 over 60 injuries. Hello? What? What? Is she good? She's a human AI. She's what was that thing? Oh my, that's right. What? It is the most perfect cylindrical piece of ice I've ever seen in my life. Break it, please break it. Oh, it's going to be so satisfying. 3, 2, 1, yay! Oh, what's going on here? Oh, that's a lot of water. Oh my goodness. Why is she so happy? She's literally flooded everywhere. I think she's stuck on that bench. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, it's the cutest noise I've ever heard in my life. Oh, trying to be quiet going down the stairs. Oh, everything's so much louder, I swear. Not only your parents awake, but the whole neighborhood is now awake. Hey, Pudgy, can I get an hour for the gravy train?
Can I find it?
Oh my goodness, this dog's a savage! Oh my goodness, what the heck? Oh, what? These are some sick transitions. Boy. Oh, come on. This guy's not just an English teacher, he's an art teacher, mate. Oh, look at him go! Now that is how you turn boy into an actual boy. You can try that one in school. Okay, y'all don't want to hear 2 B's. Hear 2 B's? What do you mean, if they talk? Just to have a conversation. Okay, listen up. What? They're literally speaking! These can talk! What the? Oh my... Those created a real life snowman meme! Wow! We're up to 80, there are 70 million views! Whoa! Bro, he landed perfectly! How many flips was that? It must be saying even he's impressed. Your husband takes playtime seriously.
Oh. Wait a second, guys. I think I found the actually same bosses for our bremen game. We need to have this stage. Oh, Shash.
Mate, you're working out like that, you deserve to wear those clothes, to be honest. Oh, I love these videos. What colour's going to be inside? It's so satisfying! Oh, it's clear.
No, no, no.
It's weird what our humans like to watch.
No, no, no.
Something as simple as this.
No, no, no.
Incredible. What the? What the? What's going on? Oh, she's not happy. Oh, hey! That's a great costume.
Oh my god.
This proves that monkeys are humans. How's he in with the monkey in the first place? Jacket's gone, mate. See you later. Nah, the monkey knows how to wear it. What? He's definitely done that before. What my black cat thinks he looks like. Ooh. Damn. Reality. This is the most, like, sad, soft eyes I've ever seen. Oh my, what the? Is that a beaver? Dude, why is it so cute? Oh my goodness, it's adorable! Rich cat, what the? What? No, cat room's better than my room! What's got it's going wrong? It's got its own little
Wait,
leaves and air freshener. Oh my.
wait, I think I saw something up what I didn't notice.
Fighting for my life.
Wait.
What the?
Ooh!
No.
Sims combo.
Get out the car! Me and my friend creating a whirlpool. I've never tried this. I feel like I should have done. Powering through.
We need Sims combo.
Fight the waves. That looks so fun.
Oops. I think I made it. To save.
Wait, did he slap her? Because there was a fly on him. What the? Why did I find the thing that was a pig? You've got speedy feet. I saved my birthday. Yes. Yes. Every year. Not quite a week. Yes. He loves it. Oh.
Oh, this raid is more better. Can I have it? Oh, I think I just saved it from the other video. Wait, I think there's more train, but
Oh wow.
I couldn't have find the Bremen train. I'm using this
Oh my god, did she
Amsterdam train to be RS or S1, but I'm using those other stuff for the for the brand from unbanmove. Do we have another train? Out.
Whoa! That is true! Babies fighting over their toys. Oh my goodness. Oh.
I think I need this from the Bremen train.
Good luck growing up with that one.
This will be RE or S.
Yes. Nice.
RES
Very strong.
3 and RES 4.
Love that. That's what my ticks are. Oh wow.
But RES 2 is not. I don't think RES I can make that one.
Living with like different ticks on that.
Wow. Well, maybe I should make an update. Maybe I should set up
Oh wow.
for that update.
How is this in the water? Eh? What the? How is this even possible? And why is that black smoke so cool? What the heck?
Quick.
Oh. Oh. Happy birthday! Oh, that's so sweet. The baby must be like 1 year old. These jelly fruits. Wait, what?
Ew.
Wait, what's she turning?
I don't think it will work.
What's she turning it into?
It's working.
Wait, candy floss?
Joseph. Let's try it, Joseph.
Let's take a metal.
How is this even possible? And why is that black smoke so cool? What the heck? Oh. Oh. Happy birthday! Oh, that's so sweet. The baby must be like 1 year old. These jelly fruits. Wait, what?
Ew.
Wait, what's she saying?
I don't think this will work. It's working.
Wait, candy?
Well, I need this metal ton to what it says. Wait a second. I think I need this
What the? What? Oh my goodness. Whoa!
metal.
Dude thought he was gonna prank him and he got...
Oh, I need this and metal entrance.
What the heck?
How is that?
How? What? Who lives in these houses? Oh my goodness. Ah, she's rich. She's rich. Time to get on. And use your way down. Oh, this looks like a mad fight.
I need like more wagons.
Nah, this guy's crazy. Whoa! Who's done that before? Whoa! What if he fell down? We're halfway through a 50.
This train is too more longer. I cannot afford.
Ooh. You got some skills there, though, you got to admit. But can't be Lara is not impressed, mate. Don't bother doing that. Just put it in. But you've got to admit the way she did it was cool. I'm kind of on her side for this one.
Wait, what? Shin? Oops, I think that has disliked.
That is a great throw. That's hot rod. What the heck? Bro, what is on this card? It's satin.
I cannot see it.
Life is so satisfying. Oh my goodness. Nah, this is amazing. Maybe I should cover my car in sand just so I can wipe it all off again. It literally looks brand new. Are you kidding me? Making the
Wait.
smoothest transition ever. I love these videos. Whoa! Actually got some salty
Nope.
cars, man. How do they do it?
Oh, we need this for our Bremen train.
What? Is that real? How is something that beautiful under a drain? Maybe find out there's more.
But I'm going to set it when if there's a new update.
Oh, my life is changing forever. Screw your milk, I'm a lolly boy now.
I don't think we have. I don't think Bremen has mono rail.
Doing that to you. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
But let's see.
Literally opens up to let its mouth get cleaned. Whoa. Guess that's how you clean his teeth, eh? Oh, there's some big gnashers. Jeez. Ooh. So, there's no way she's gonna walk in it, right?
Hello.
Do that. And how is she balancing on it?
Oh no.
What the hell? Is there a balloon on his head? What? Now this is ridiculous. This is a giant troll, surely. What on earth was the plan here? He just put green tape on his head. Number 40 with 170 million views.
Kind of, we don't need motor rail. Bremen doesn't have motor rail. Bye, guys.